Our son, Aaron, was killed right in his ATV when it suddenly exploded, malfunctioned. Then we had to search to see if we needed a lawyer or what to do next.
Families and individuals come to us because their life has been disrupted, turned upside down, because they can't put food on the table, they can't get back to work, because of the injuries that they have sustained. What we do is help them get their life back together.
We needed to do something as far as to get some justice for my son, and this law firm seemed like it was the best choice.
Meshbesher Spence is part of Minnesota, and it has been for 70 years. Families and individuals who have been injured rely on us to help take on their fight.
They stand behind what they say, and they will fight till the end, and they will be there every step of the way for you.
Meshbesher Spence takes on the hardest cases, the most difficult cases, the cases that require skilled litigators, trial lawyers, and the resources that we have built over decades of practice of helping Minnesotans and people across this country.
We're going through such a difficult time. They were just like family, and so helpful all the way through. I would really recommend them to anyone.
I believe in a life of service, and the best way that I've been able to give back to my community and to serve others is to help them at their most difficult time, to help families rebuild their lives after the loss of a loved one, to help individuals get back to work, to care for their families after injury. With my skill set, that's the best thing that I can do, to live a life of service.